This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is the weekly test of the NOAA radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. The weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches, hazards, and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters.
Nationwide test of the emergency alert system issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency covering the United States.
This is a nationwide test of the emergency alert system issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time.
This is a nationwide test of the emergency alert system issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Eastern Time. This is only a test.